to learn, and to study. To learn means to gain knowledge or skill by studying. To study means to read, memorize facts, attend school, etc. When you study something, you have not learned it yet. Examples.
You know, I'm really glad you decided to learn Mandarin.
Why?
Once you're fluent, you'll have a billion more people to annoy instead of me. I haven't seen him laugh that hard since the day Leonard made that multiplication error. Oh Lord! That multiplication error!
Error and mistake. Error is most commonly used in scientific or technical terms by professionals when something is done wrong, usually by accident. Mistake is most commonly used in sentence by the common people in everyday life. Examples.
I talked to corporate. Turns out there have been 12 reports of faulty printers out of 400,000. We've investigated every time it's been user error. They blocked the vents or something. I don't know. That's why we have the fine print.
You with your steady hand.
Purple and violet. Purple is an unnatural mixture of red and blue and goes more to red. Violet is a natural mixture of red and blue that is observable in nature and goes more to blue. Examples.
Had a purple stripe on their flag from 1721 to 1917. See? Right there in the middle.
Blue, indigo, violet.
He's really funny. Like the other day, he made up this joke. What's green and says, "Hey, I'm a frog."
Talking frog?
Frog and toad. Frogs are sleek and smooth. Frogs have long legs, which are made for jumping. Toads are covered in little lumps and bumps. Toads have much shorter legs and prefer to crawl around rather than jump. Examples.
So just remember that frogs leap and toads hop. That's one of the main differences.
Is the cane toad. The cane toad from South America. Toad butt in my face.
You should go for that job.
It's in Maryland.
Yeah. But, I mean, look at the salary. And it's definitely a step up.
Salary and wage. A salary refers to how much you get paid every year. A wage varies depending on the time or amount someone works. Wages are generally paid per hour. Examples.
Lily, you're a kindergarten teacher. Yeah.
Because Robin was about to ask Lily the one question.
And you make a kindergarten teacher's salary, right? Yeah.
That Lily had been dreading for years.
Well, how do you afford all of these expensive clothes? I shop the sales.
So you're coming home from work. That's great. How was work?
Well, you know, it's a cheesecake factory. People order cheesecake and I bring it to them.
So you kind of act as like a carbohydrate delivery system.
Yeah, call it whatever you want. I get minimum wage.
Did you even study at all last night?
You got so many lines to learn so fast.
I dialed your number by mistake.
And it's purple!
Frogs leap and toads hop.
Call it whatever you want. I get minimum wage.